Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm going to do a video about my new spices I bought in Gothenburg. And here are my new spices, 3 of them. And before we get into this, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Here are my new spices, 3 of them. So let's begin with the first one, and I put the other 2 aside for a moment. That one and that one. This is green cuisine and this is smoked paprika. And what I like with this one is it comes in a glass jar. And this one is not that heavy as you could expect, but it's some weight to it. And the other thing is I love smoked paprika. It has a nice, distinct and characteristic flavor. So this one I will use in most of my dishes, and I will probably need to buy more of this one for sure. And the next one is Cajun seasoning. And this is the brand Green Cuisine again, in a nice beautiful glass jar as the smoked paprika comes in. And this one is a spice I never tried before, so I can't tell how distinct or how characteristic the flavor would be. But I will read the ingredients for this one. So it contains paprika. I love paprika, as I told you before. Cumin, I love that spice as well. Pepper, that's good. Oregano, I love that spice as well. And garlic and chili. That will give some kick to this seasoning. So this will be really interesting to try out and see how this one will work out in my dishes. And it also comes in a nice beautiful glass jar as the smoked paprika. Let's get into the last one. Green Cuisine, and this is jerk seasoning. Yeah, I know that sounds pretty rude, okay? But this spice is not rude, okay? This is not a spice that is a jerk, okay? But anyway, this one I never heard of before, so this one is totally unfamiliar for me. But you guys might heard of this spice before. I haven't. So for some of you, this one might be new for you as well. But I will read the ingredients for this one as well. This one contains coriander, paprika, pepper, sugar, salt, chili, nutmeg, bay leaf, and cumin. That is definitely an interesting combination of different spices. So this seasoning will probably have a pretty distinct and characteristic flavor. I can't tell because I never tried this one before, but I believe this one will good to use when you fry up some fish or cook some fish. So this will be an interesting spice to try out in my different dishes that contains fish. So That's all for today's video, guys. And let me know what you think about these three spices. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And thank you for your support. I appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. Stay safe, be prepared, be part of the solution, not the problem. God bless. Shadow Scout Swede, out.